Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of nouns. Nouns are words that represent persons, places, animals, things and ideas. Understanding the different types of nouns is essential for effective communication and strong writing skills. So while waiting, let's start. Nouns. In simple words, we can say that nouns are the building blocks of language. Nouns are words which describe persons, places, animals or things. In our day-to-day life, we use nouns. Remember it like this. Persons plus places plus animals plus things is equal to nouns. PPAT. Examples of persons: mother, father, brother, Harry Potter. Take few more examples: J.K. Rowling, John, Emily and Michael. Examples of places: United States, China, India, New York, Africa. Few more examples: Mount Everest, Asia and Europe. Examples of animals: lion, elephant, cow, pig. Take few more examples: snake, bee, butterfly and crocodile. Examples of things: phone, laptop, TV, chair. Can you give me more examples? Think. Yes, table, bed, car and bike. There are many different types of nouns, but the most important ones which we need to remember are proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of specific unique entities such as people, places, organizations, events and titles. Let us take a few examples so that you get a clear understanding of what are proper nouns. London, Albert Einstein, Google, Harvard University, To Kill a Mockingbird. London. We are talking about one specific place, that is London. Hence it is proper noun. If we just say places, then it is common noun. Similar is the case for Albert Einstein. We are talking about one famous scientist, that is Albert Einstein. If we just say scientist, then it is common noun. But as we are talking about one famous scientist, that is Albert Einstein, hence it is proper noun. Common nouns. Common nouns are general terms that refer to people, places, animals, things and ideas. Examples include teacher, doctor, dog, cat, city. Author. If I just say author, then it is an example of common noun because I may be talking about any famous author like William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, Ben Jonson. But if I am saying only William Shakespeare, it is an example of proper noun as I am talking about only one famous author, that is William Shakespeare. Doctor. If I just say doctor, then it is an example of common noun. But if I am talking about the name of some specific doctor, imagine Dr. Nitish Kumar, then I am being very specific. Hence, it is an example of proper noun. Similar is the case for teacher. If I just say teacher, then it is an example of common noun. But if I am talking about the name of some specific teacher, then it is an example of proper noun. Collective nouns. Collective nouns, as the name only suggests, when we are talking about a collection like a group of persons, places, animals and things. Examples include flock of birds, herd of cattle, pack of wolves, school of fish, gaggle of geese. My dear students, can you give me more examples of collective nouns? Think. Yes, family, team, class, committee, crowd. When we are talking about a group of birds, a collection of birds, we say flock of birds. When we are talking about a group of cattle, we say herd of cattle. When we are talking about a group of wolves, we say pack of wolves. When we are talking about a group of fish, we say school of fish. In the same manner, when we are talking about a group of geese, we say gaggle of geese. What are these? These are called as a collection of books. When we are talking about a collection of books, we say pile of books. Some say bundle of books. It is also correct, but the more accurate one is pile of books. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are concepts, ideas, emotions or feelings that cannot be physically touched or seen. Examples: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, excitement. Imagine that I'm very sad, then how will be my facial expression? If I'm very excited, then, right? Yes, hope you got it. Imagine that I'm very happy. Then just by looking at my face, my viewers can understand that I'm very happy. If I'm very angry, then how will be my facial expression? Imagine there's a lion coming in front of you. Then how will be your face? Fear, right? Material nouns. Material nouns, also known as substance nouns or mass nouns, refer to words that denote physical materials or substances from which objects are made. Examples: wood, glass, water, stone, paper. Wood is classified as a material noun because it refers to a substance or material that is used to make objects, furniture, buildings, etc. Glass is classified as a material noun because it is used to make various objects like windows, lenses, mirrors, bottles, and so on. Water is classified as a material noun because water has unique physical and chemical properties. Water has various uses like cleaning, drinking, agriculture, industry. And lastly but not the least, water can be measured. Countable nouns. Countable nouns, also known as count nouns, refer to those type of nouns that can be counted. As the name only suggesting, we can count those type of nouns. Examples: animal, one animal, many animals; book, one book, five books; pen, one pen, two pens; tree, one tree, several trees; dog, one dog, three dogs. One book, two books, three books, four books. So total there are four books. So we can count it. So total there are how many books? Four books. Such nouns are known as countable nouns. One marker, two markers, three markers. So total there are how many markers? Three markers. Such nouns which can be counted are known as countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns or non-count nouns, are words that refer to things that cannot be counted individually. Examples: substances: water, air, food, gold; liquids: milk, juice, oil; gases: oxygen, helium; abstract concepts: happiness, love, freedom; materials: wood, fabric, metal. My dear students, water is an example of uncountable noun because I cannot count it like I am counting books, chairs and tables. Watch this. Can I count it? See, No. So, water is an example of uncountable noun. Air is also an example of uncountable noun. Can I count air? No. Hence, air is an example of uncountable noun. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are nouns that refer to tangible, physical objects or substances that can be perceived through our senses. Examples: book, chair, table, car, house, pen. Chair. I can touch it. I can feel it. I can perceive it through my senses. Hence, it is an example of concrete noun. Similarly, apple. I can touch it. I can perceive it through my senses. Hence, apple and chair are examples of concrete nouns. My dear students, water is an example of concrete noun because if I touch this water, I can feel it. I can perceive it through my senses. Such nouns are known as concrete nouns. Hope you enjoyed today's video. In next video, we are going to explore singular, plural and noun genders. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Till then, have a nice day and happy learning.